Alright guys, today we're taking a look at the Spyderco Southard Hanan compression lock knife. Now this is, I'll be upfront with you guys, this is not my favorite knife in the world, but it's quite a handsome knife and the fit and finish is top notch. So, that said, let's dive into it. Overall length is 6.875 inches, blade length of 3 inches, and it is S30V steel on this one. Now this one was made in the Spyderco Taichung, Taiwan factory. You can see there printed on the blade. Let's see if I can get a closer look. There you go. It says Taichung. And anything that comes out of Taichung's factory is generally top notch. It's great. The Spidey Chef, or you know, the Techno, or even the Slish Bowie, if you want to go back a ways, they were all fantastic knives. And this one, you know, is executed to a high level of precision. So I definitely appreciate that. Handle length is 3.875 inches, and it's got some G10 here and titanium bolsters with titanium liners. And you do have a pocket clip right there for tip-up right-handed carry only, and that's what you're going to see when it's sticking out of your pocket. So it rides decently low in the pocket. It's not a deep carry clip by any means, but there you have it. The overall weight on this guy, oh no, it's not on my sheet of paper. Well, if I had to guess, it's probably right around 4 ounces. And here's a tactical clothespin for size comparison. So sorry about that weight, guys. I will correct myself in the edit. And there you have it. The Spyderco Southard Hanan.